अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम अब्दुल हसीब और आप देख रहे हैं एक्सेल स्टडी सेंटर। स्टूडेंट्स, आज की जो वीडियो है ये एफएससी का जो है ऐसे है, इसके बारे में माय फर्स्ट डे एट कॉलेज है। एफएससी में जो आपके ऐसे होते हैं वो 5 साइड से लेकर 6 साइड्स तक के लिए होते हैं, जबकि जो मैट्रिक है उसमें 4 to 5 साइड्स मैक्सिमम होती हैं। सो ये जो ऐसे है पर्टिकुलर ये एफएससी के लिए, अगर मैट्रिक के स्टूडेंट्स भी इस ऐसे को शॉर्ट करके अपने लिहाज से एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं। तो इस ऐसे की जो प्रेजेंटेशन वगैरह है वो आपने दूसरी जो स्पेसिफिक वीडियोस हैं प्रेजेंटेशन की उन्हीं को फॉलो करते हुए अपने पेपर में लिखना है, जबकि ये एक रफ टेम्पलेट है जिसमें कंटेंट वगैरह ऐसे का आपको मिल जाएगा। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर ऐसे। माय फर्स्ट डे एट कॉलेज, हाउ ब्यूटीफुल इज यूथ, हाउ ब्राइट इट ग्लीम्स with its illusions, aspirations, and dreams. Book of beginning, story without end, each made a heroine and each man a friend. Sweet memories are like sweet smelling flowers strewn on the strenuous path of the life. They change life into a gloomy and balmy garden. The man who learns nothing from perturbing past should expect nothing from fragrant future because what is bitter to bear may be rosy to remember. In the stove house of my college, memories enriched with many pearls and pebbles, the first day at the college occupies a prominent position. Every part of it is still fresh in my mind and will, I hope, remain so far so many years to come. What peaceful hours I once enjoyed, how sweet their memory still. College is an attractive place for young students when they are at school. They are very anxious to enter this wider world of education that promises more liberty and better chances of progress than school life. College life polishes the personality of a student. It teaches manners and etiquettes. It teaches manners and etiquettes. A college is a place of light, of liberty, and of learning. It was also fed up with the suffocated atmosphere of my school where students are driven with the stick. I had been dreaming of free, independent and charming life of the college since my school days. Hold fast to dreams for it. Dreams die. Life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. After a long anxious wait, the result of matriculation examination was declared and I got admission to college. On the first day, cherishing high hopes, inner joy and a promising future ahead, I reached the gate of the college. Naturally, I was in a high spirits and my mind was full of expectations as well as fear. When I stepped in, some of the senior students of the college were standing there. Some of them were in a jolly mood and wanted to befool the newcomers. I already knew that seniors play tricks and crack jokes with the newcomers, so I was mentally prepared for it. They asked us to do strange things like singing ridiculous songs and doing weird pranks. I felt a little humiliated but took it sportingly. Seniors always approach juniors with an air of superiority. Meanwhile, a senior professor of the college came for our rescue. After that, we went to the hall. First, there was prayer accomplished by recitation of the Holy Quran. The principal delivered an introductory speech to the students. He made us realize that responsibilities in the college life by quoting a Chinese proverb. Teachers open the door, but you must enter by yourself. The principal advised us to try our best to achieve our goals and told us about the rules and regulations of the college. The principal's speech had come to an end, but a new phase of my life had started with a difference. Then timetable was displayed and the students went to their classrooms. A professor entered the room. The students stood up to greet him. He took our roll calls. He did not teach us but advised us about our future life. He stressed that we should not misuse the liberty here, rather, we should make full use of the opportunity to achieve our end. In the recess period, we went to the college library. There were many cabinets full of books and magazines. Many students were reading books and newspapers. College is like a fountain of knowledge, and the students are there to drink. After attending all the periods, I got free at 2 o'clock. In a nutshell, attending classes was a great experience. The friendly manner and graciousness of professors was good. It was a wonderful experience for me. I felt a new rhythm of life and returned home with a mixed sense of duty and liberty. To conclude, my first day at college came to an end and left behind unforgettable memories. With new rays of hope for the next day, all the really valuable things you own are things you cannot photograph. In the end, I can say that college life is a beautiful blend of joys and memories. Right from my first day, every day spent in the college was full of colorful events. The time I spent in the college was valuable asset of my life. It will remain fresh in my mind as a good memory. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Its loveliness increases, it will never pass into nothingness. जी स्टूडेंट्स, ये हमारा आज का ऐसे था। तो अगर आपने हमारे दूसरे ऐसे के ऊपर गौर किया हो जो कि कॉलेज लाइफ के ऊपर है, तो आपने देखा होगा कि इस ऐसे का और उस ऐसे का कुछ कंटेंट सेम है। तो आप, क्योंकि हमारे पास जो टॉपिक्स, नंबर ऑफ़ टॉपिक्स होते हैं ऐसे के बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम्स में, वो बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं। तो हम हर एक के लिए पूरा पूरा अलग कंटेंट नहीं लिख सकते। तो कुछ ऐसे एसेज वगैरह होते हैं जिनमें हम कंटेंट को, दोनों एसेज में थोड़े थोड़े पैराग्राफ सेम जो हैं वो यूज़ कर सकते हैं, ताकि हमें मेमोराइज़ करने में ईज़ी हो और आसानी हो। जब हम पेपर में अपने ऐसे को लिखें तो एक का कंटेंट दूसरे में हमें एडजस्ट करना आता हो। तो ये हमारा ऐसे थोड़ा-सा उससे मिलता-जुलता है। आप भी इस ट्रिक को यूज़ वगैरह कर सकते हैं अपने बोर्ड के एग्ज़ाम्स में। तो ये हमारा ऐसे था, माय फर्स्ट डे एट कॉलेज। इसके अलावा अगर आपके ज़हन में कोई टॉपिक है जो इम्पोर्टेंट हो और बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम्स में फ्रीक्वेंटली आता हो, तो आप नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में हमें बता सकते हैं, ताकि हम उस पर एक जल्दी से वीडियो बना दें। शुक्रिया, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।